唉，你睇下個電腦，成個邊冇晒啊！唉，都話唔好俾啲僆仔用電腦上 Zoom 噶啦，又視藝又體育，最後而家諗住咧就係開個電視咁樣頂住檔先啦。不過完全睇唔到啊！零下電鐵 Tour 班已經睇唔到啦。因為部機爛咗，真係要嚟整。咁咧就嚟咗一個唔知咩嘅商場，我都唔知呢度邊度。咁又跟咗 Apple 嘅指示，我就揸咗架車出去新威附近，就而家就準備去整電腦啦。係啦，部機個 mon 就 crash 咗一半，乜都睇唔到啦已經。咁佢話要一個星期嘅工作天，因為啲 pass 咧要喺新加坡send 過嚟馬來西亞先有得換。咁陣間睇下個情況係點先。特別嘅裝置俾人撳 lift 喎，有幾聰明喎！係啦，係冇 Apple Store 嘅馬來西亞。咁咧，我哋喺香港聯絡咗喺香港嘅 Apple，咁佢就揾咗幾間 shop 俾我哋，係呢一邊嘅，應該係代理咁樣啦。呢度好多呢啲美容品喎。咁咧，我哋就聯絡到呢一間叫做稍為近我住嗰區 area 嘅，咁就係新威。但佢唔喺新威商場喎，好望下先。對面其實就係新威嘅醫院，其實正喺對面嘅啫。就係一間啊 IT World。我入去睇下咩環境啦，我都唔知道，因為就係電話聯絡係咩我都係 scan 咗入。幾靚？呢個 shot 好靚喎。咁而家就等緊啦。其實我 book 咗4點鐘嘅，咁我都早咗少少到，而家應該差唔多4點，早咗少少到啦。咁啊等一陣，因為有人 serve 緊而家，咁我就睇下，因為其實都係煲電話，唔知道個情況係點。
Sorry, I just want to ask how old of your son?
Sorry, yes, already. Sign already. Just hold on. I need to show up my appointment, or you can check the telephone number. Okay,
Okay, you reserved for 2:40 p.m. Reported the screen crack and keyboard.
Yes.
Alright, may I see you?
Sometimes disconnect.
Oh, basically sometimes it's not responsive.
Yes.
Okay, totally understand.
Okay, thank you.
So I check the serial number first.
I need to log out or something.
This one, do you able to provide the password?
Oh, okay. 咁都係 check 咗資料先啦，睇睇個情況。And my phone also the screen is crashed. Can I check the price for me?
Yes.
Okay.
This one iPhone 8 Plus, right? Okay.
因為咧，我部機咧唔小心喺屋企跌到咧，個 screen 已經爆開晒。
This one is 1,010 ringgit, including the diagnostic.
OK。哇！佢電話真係有啲貴啊，換個 screen 1,100蚊ringgit，即係2000蚊。咁啊諗諗先啦，遲啲可能換咗個電話去算啦，都2000蚊換個 screen。
Oh, Okay, Miss, just want
Yes.
to know, have you contacted us before you come here?
Yes, sure.
Okay, do you know about the price of the display for the replacement?
I forgot. I forgot the total amount. Can you check again?
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
The price is 3180.
OK。整一整咁樣整一整個 mon 3180蚊永吉啊！
Your
Oh.
details please to create
Okay.
the report. Yes, okay, another thing, for the repair it may take around 5 to 7 working days to be
Yes.
complete.
Yes, I know that. And then I need to come back here.
Yes, for the collection.
咁啊，頭先入晒啲名啊、電話啊、住址啊、email address，咁就睇下下一步啦。
So, Miss, about the display, you want to pay by card or cash?
Okay. 3000幾蚊，梗係碌卡啦。Thank you。唔係3000幾蚊，3000幾蚊嘅6000幾，差唔多7000蚊啊！整一整，好赤啊！大家睇睇廣告啊，唔該，幫幫手，等我呢個月唔好咁慘，損失慘重。
Okay.
Thank you。
Thank you.
Okay, ready?
PIN number.
PIN number. Thank you.
Okay. So you sent me the MacBook Pro 15-inch 2017.
Yes.
This is the serial number.
Yes.
Coverage is under out of warranty.
Yes.
Reported issue is internal crack on display and the keyboard.
Okay. The keyboard cannot show it.
Yes, I can edit.
No need to. They will change the keyboard for me or just replace the edge contact.
Basically, we will try to replace the hash
Okay.
gaps, but if the issue cannot be solved, we need to change the entire case.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it?
This is your copy.
Okay. Already okay?
Yes, already.
Okay. They will send me the SMS to inform me come here to pick it up.
Basic.
Or-
Usually, we will drop
or
the
phone?
yes,
Call?
phone call and the WhatsApp messages.
Okay, thank you.
Is number available, right?
Yes. Okay, thank you. 快啦，10分鐘、10零分鐘就完成晒整個程序。然之後呢，呢個位置其實都係商場咁樣嚟嘅。咁我就喺附近又走下睇下呢度呢有啲乜嘢，因為平時去新威都係新威佢哋邊，真係冇行過側邊其他呢啲商場地帶。咁而家就順便當參觀下啦。就行一行睇下有啲乜嘢。哇！頭先見到呢度啲建築都幾靚嘅喎，同埋幾新淨嘅喎，好似唔錯咁喎。仲有好多做 facial 嘅地方。哇！睇下呢度先。好啦，24號嗰日就攞咗部機去整。今日而家係 29號。咁之前同我講 7 days 嘅 working days， 即係7個工作天有得攞嘅。但係就唔使啦，佢連埋個 weekend 其實都係幾日嘅啫。幾多日啊？24，今日29，連埋 weekend 都係5日嘅時間，咁都算係幾快。今日下晝我收到電話話可以 pick up 嘅時候，我都話咦咁快嘅，又話喺新加坡寄零件過嚟啫，咁快可以有得攞。咁好啦，我而家就準備去攞機，咁就係咯。真係太好啦！咁快可以攞到，希望咁唔好再壞啦，或者唔好再爛啦，因為真係好肉赤，好貴啊！使唔使俾翻張單嚟㗎？OK 㗎啦，即係頭先嗰份已經齊㗎啦，萬一如果需要有 warranty 嗰啲，都係嗰份就 OK 㗎啦。好，唔該你。哇，好嘢，攞翻啦，終於有電腦用啦！咁咧，我其實係換個 screen 嘅啫，但係咧，因為個 keyboard 咧呢一個型號呢個年份咧係有問題，咁咁啱真係之前啱啱未壞嗰個 screen 之前，個 HP 真係用唔到，咁所以我嚟整嘅時候都同佢講啊，係咪可以即係免費更換？咁佢話係，點知咧啱啱嚟攞電腦嘅時候，佢仲話俾我聽，除咗換咗個 keyboard。俾我個 keyboard 係全個全新啦，跟住連埋嗰個pad 啊，即係嗰個手指用嗰個 pad 啦，同埋嗰個 battery 都換埋俾我。原因係佢哋連埋一齊嘅，咁所以即係基本上除咗啲 RAM 係冇換到，同埋冇加到之外，基本上我係換同埋個殼冇換到，我好似換咗部新機翻嚟一樣咁。有3個月嘅 warranty， 咁就係啦。希望快啲開學啦。如果唔係好危嘅呢3個月，冇乜問題就算啦，即係破財當擋災啦。同埋如果3000蚊令吉，佢同我換晒咁多嘢，都好嘅，好過部機用唔到啦。咁 by the way 都算係唔錯，咁咧都睇到咧，其實雖然冇零件，呢度馬來西亞係冇 Apple Store 嘅，但係喺呢個新加坡 send 零件過嚟啦，要換要整，其實個時間都唔係太耐，可以接受嘅，我個人覺得。咁同埋價錢就呢啲 standard price 我都冇得講啦。其實我問咗之前，另外仲有幾間 call 俾我，佢唔係 Apple Store 直接轉介嘅鋪頭。價錢會略為平少少，2800幾啊！咁2800幾同3100，我覺得分別唔算話真係好大分別。咁但係我因為要整埋 keyboard 啊其他嘢，咁所以就揀翻 Apple Store 轉介我嘅，真係叫做 Apple 代理嘅公司啦。咁同埋都比較安心嘅，始終人生路不熟，如果萬一整唔好或者有咩問題，要找佢晦氣就比較難。咁係啦，算係好啦，完成咗一個 item。今次咧又體驗咗另外一樣嘢。好啦，我要去買埋嘢食，跟住就返歸啦。哥哥咧就話要幫我手叫餐，我睇下哥哥可唔可以順利完成任務先。好啦，哥哥準備。我幫下手，我唔識叫㗎，邊識英文啫？係咪？嗱，我哋去咗 Burger King。睇下哥哥可唔可以順利叫到餐？
嗰個 double BBQ 咩話？beef 乜嘢？
咩啊？邊度啊？好 ，try go。
One double BBQ beef prawn.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
You wanna have it here or take away?
Take away.
One set,
One set. Can I have the lemon tea?
lemon tea.
And one four single milk. Four single milk.
Drink also.
Take away. 你係咪飲檸檬茶？
可樂。
Coca-Cola. One twenty.
Number?
20.
Set also set.
Yes. Also chocolate.
問下佢可唔可以轉芝士嗰個薯條？
The number 4 change the rice, French fries change to
哇，哥哥好叻啊！好啦，總共37個8 ，OK。實在因為未咁錢啊，所以咩都俾 PayWay 簡單啲。其實都可以咧，唔帶現金，即係其實大部分地方都會有 PayWay， 有呢啲咁樣，一係就 e-wallet。
We call you this number.
Thank you.
3716.
OK，thank you。好啦，等一陣啦，我哋。好 check 下啦，哥哥 check 下單先。
後面有呢個啊，
有 coupon 咯。幾多點啊？12點到3點啊，差唔多時間。今日係第3次嚟呢個地方啊，真係好得人驚。個電腦尋晚翻到去 check 機嘅時候咧，開到 check 機嘅時候都開到。點知翻到去，當我諗住打字幕嘅時候做嘢啦，咁冇聲喎部機，完全搞唔到，唔識搞。check 過晒可以 check 嘅地方，都唔知點嘅原因，揾唔到啦。咁所以今朝咧就即刻打電話落嚟呢一間鋪頭，問翻佢哋我應該點樣處理啦。咁最後就佢都係叫我落翻落嚟鋪頭嗰度，俾佢哋做一個 quick check。咁 check 完過後啦，就發現應該係個 software， 好黑嘅，應該係個 software 有嘢撞咗，咁佢哋就幫我鏟咗部機一次，係啦。咁而家 so far 叫做整完啦，攞翻啦我部機，好啦，我要嗱嗱聲翻屋企 set 翻晒啲嘢，然之後繼續開工啦。好啦，不過都算還好啦，即係佢哋其實服務唔錯嘅，亦都有華人嘅服務員。咁因為你知啦，我啲電腦嘢我唔識噶嘛，咁而家又冇啲專業人士喺我隔離喎，咁唯有真係靠呢啲專業嘅鋪頭幫我重新設置。咁佢就冇 extra fee 嘅，佢幫我重新設置啦 ，set up 好晒部機，咁就翻去插翻自己 time machine。入翻自己嘅，希望就可以重新用得到啦。咁，但係呢個經驗係好嘅，因為電腦嘢我真係唔掂咯。咁都領教到啦，其實係可以揾到救兵啦，同埋價錢雖然係比出邊嘅鋪頭貴少少，但係佢嘅服務都唔錯，同埋譬如係嗰個keyboard， 因為我除咗整 screen 之外，佢有個 keyboard 有問題，佢哋係換咗 keyboard 之餘，幫我換晒所有嘢，即係一連串需要換嘅嘢，佢都幫我換晒。咁確實我又覺得，咦，賺咗，賺咗喎！即係都真係幾全面幫我 check 好晒部機。咁一有問題，佢都同我講，如果翻到去仲有啲咩問題，隨時 WhatsApp 佢哋。so far 我覺得唔錯啦，服務雖然佢哋係代理公司，但係佢哋都跟得幾貼嘅咁樣咯。係啊，咁第一次體驗，希望大家都唔好有我呢啲咁嘅 case 發生啦，即係可免則免啦。其實我自己覺得香港當然要買機啦，或者整機啊，或者整電子產品嘅嘢，我自己都係 prefer 翻香港買嘅，好坦白講。但係人在他鄉冇辦法翻去嘅話，就要用住先啦。咁so far唔難揾嘅，亦都唔難處理。佢哋都好 helpful 啦。即係譬如我用蘋果，其實蘋果會幫我 check 到呢一邊有咩公司做代理。咁嗰啲公司咧，亦都好快幫我打電話嚟，亦都可以聯絡得到。咁佢哋會幫我check 好晒我部機 ，call 好晒價錢咁樣咯。攞咗翻嚟啦！哇，新機一樣啊，幾靚！好啦，睇下裏面先，連呢條 toolbar 都係新嘅，成個 keyboard 換咗，搣咗佢先，係啦，成個 keyboard 換晒，跟住連呢個 mousepad、touchpad 唔係 mousepad，連呢個 touchpad 都幫我換埋，仲有換埋電池，即係話部機除咗呢個殼。除咗個外殼同埋裡面嗰啲 RAM 啊、hard disk 啊冇換到之外， 基本上呢就幫我換晒㗎啦。所以雖然係貴就貴啲，不過都算係咁啦，即係仲要起晒積成部機，唔錯唔錯。歡迎大家訂閱我哋嘅頻道，鍾意嘅話可以俾個 like 我哋支持下喎，多謝晒，拜拜。